Hello. Today we're going to talk about something that we can't help but be exposed to easily. It's about an algorithm in an online shopping mall that supports consumption. As you know, online shopping has become deeply entrenched in our lives. But there's more to it than just showing and selling things. There's computer science, the algorithm. Today we're going to make it easy and fun to learn about how this algorithm changes our consumption patterns and how programming works behind it. The first one is the recommendation algorithm. For example, when I go shopping with my friend, we choose clothes for each other. Here the principle of my friend's recommendation of my style is the principle of the recommendation algorithm. My friend makes recommendations based on this information because she knows my body shape preference and what I usually wear. Similarly, the recommendation algorithm collects data such as my purchase history, search history, clicked products, and how long I stayed. And based on this data we make recommendations. Before we get into the real world, the basic principle of the algorithm is, the more users use it, the smarter they become. So the recommended algorithm is an algorithm that has advantages in recommendation. The more you use it, the more accurate you recommend it. So how does the recommendation algorithm work? First, gather the data. The data referred to here includes search history, purchase history, and so on. When the data is gathered, we work to increase the accuracy of this data. For example, items that you click incorrectly or things you search for and don't look for long ago. The algorithm is excluded from the collected data because it is determined that it is not necessary. This will extract the available data. The algorithm utilizes this data to recommend products that are suitable for individuals. There are two ways to recommend it. The first is the collaborative filtering method. The collaborative filtering method uses data from people similar to my peers and tastes not my information. So based on the information when signing up for membership, if I'm a man in my 30s, I recommend products purchased by a man in his 30s. The second is a content-based filtering method. Content-based filtering makes recommendations based on my history. So even if we purchase a product, we recommend a new product even on the purchase completion page. The scary thing about recommendation algorithms is that they don't end up making recommendations. Based on the recommended products, the data is learned again to predict the user's preference. By repeating this indefinitely, I narrow down my preferences and gradually recommend products that fit me. And we check our actual reaction. Based on the evaluation of whether the recommended product was clicked or purchased. Continue to evaluate and adjust the performance of the recommendation algorithm. This is the core algorithm of online shopping malls' recommended algorithm. So once you fall out, you support endless consumption. Next is the search algorithm. The search algorithm is also like the mission of obstacle running. There are various keywords in the mission node of obstacle running. For example, if it says a man in his 30s wearing sunglasses, you need to find the right person for the keyword and cross the finish line. Search algorithms work on the same principle. First of all, before explaining the principles of search algorithms and search functions can be confusing. The search function only imports products that correspond to keywords. If you search for puppy clothes, only products with the word puppy clothes come out. But search algorithms bring the right products for keywords. Bring not only puppy clothes but also all the products that dogs can wear. How do these search algorithms work? When we type the keyword in the search box, it is the starting point of the search algorithm. And when you ask for a search, the algorithm starts running with keywords. So when I arrive at the DB, I look for all the products related to keywords among the stored products. Then place the most relevant product among the numerous products found at the top. Similarly, when the search is finished, the user clicks and retrains according to the success of the search. Then you get a highly trained search algorithm. Just search clothes and find out what clothes you want. It quickly presents the right product. When the search algorithm develops like this when we buy a product, it reduces hesitation time, making it easier to purchase. How was it? I think I'm exposed to an environment that encourages consumption more than I thought. Did how algorithms affect shopping habits and what's the principle help you?